Alright guys, today we're going to check out a rod holder that I have mounted on my toolbox. It's made by Platinum Products. You can look them up online, platinumproducts.com. They make all different kind of mounts for your rod holder mounts for your vehicle. You don't have to necessarily go with the one that I went with, the Toolbox mount. Drill any holes into your toolbox. They've got one that you can mount in your hitch, so that might work out good for you. Check them out though. We're going to go ahead and check out mine, and then we will show my rods placed in there and my net. Holds my net good too, so let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, that's it right there. Like I said, it's made by Platinum. You can see that, Platinum Products. 6 rod holder. Like I said, it mounts into the toolbox. I went with headless bolts, so somebody can't just go ahead and try to take it off your toolbox. Some people use regular head bolts, but like I said, they could take it off, so I went with the headless bolts. Might be something you want to check into if you go with this particular rod holder mount. Let's go ahead and show my rods and my net placed into it. Now the first rod I'm going to put in is my bass fishing rod. See? Fits in there good. Yeah, you're going to have a little play in it, but when you go down the road you won't even notice it. The pole hardly ever moves. The next one is my catfishing rod. It's in there nicely. Now my next will be my fishing net. In there good. So there you guys have it. They're all mounted in there. Like I said, the net works good, and it hardly moves. None of it moves around when you're driving it. It handles good. I'm very impressed with this product. So I hope you guys check them out, and I will have it on the description, but it's platinumproducts.com. Thanks again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment or subscribe as always, and have a good one.